One of Butler's best hidden secrets is the Butler Freeport Trail. It was an old railroad, I believe, trail that went all the way down to Freeport. They converted this into a beautiful trail. It's flat, it's not paved, but it's hard-packed gravel. It's amazing for bikes, walking, e-bikes, all that great stuff. Hey, I'm gonna take you on a tour of this real quick, and we're gonna do 3 minutes on the tour. Here's a short video on the Butler Freeport Trail. It is 21 miles long. This is just 3 miles and 3 minutes of the 21 miles. It was started in 1870 for the coal industry and the railroad. And back in the 80s, they turned it into a walking trail. Again, here's 3 minutes. Again, that was 3 minutes on the Butler Freeport Trail. If you need more information, there is some more info down below. Like, subscribe, so that I can keep making these and you can keep in touch with the more I put out.